Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have found some amazing new items at Dollar Tree and I can't wait to share them with you all. Before we get started, if you're new here and you like Dollar Tree DIYs or any type of budget-friendly home decor DIY, make sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Now, I went to a couple of different Dollar Trees to find these items. I live in a small town, so my Dollar Tree usually does not carry anything like this. So once in a while, my mom and my sisters and I will go on a little shopping trip and we'll go to a larger city and we'll go to a couple of the Dollar Trees and just spend a nice day together. And usually in the larger cities are where you will find more of these items. So one of the first items I want to share with you all, because you know I love to make signs, are these beautiful signs. They already look like the pallet wood. They have the grooves inside of it, and they come in brown, white, and black. And I picked up a couple of these. So that is what I love about them, is I don't even have to paint them, and they're super cute. Now, these farmhouse items that I found were on an end cap in both of the Dollar Trees that I went into, and both of them had different farmhouse items. So this is one of the items that I found. It is a wood bead wreath, but these aren't the round beads. These are the square beads. I think you can make something really beautiful out of this, but if you didn't want to keep it as a wreath form, you could actually take it apart and use these pieces in other projects. So this is already stained a nice, beautiful, neutral brown color. And then I also found the plain square beads in a garland. So again, you could make something really pretty or you could take it apart. Then they have the round wood bead wreath form. And you guys saw me make the Valentine heart wreath out of this. So I picked up a couple of those. And then I thought this was the cutest bead garland, because it has the black, the white, the neutral wood, and it has that buffalo check. It is so cute for $1.25. Some of the cutest farmhouse items, like this chicken. It's on a stand, and then they have the cow, and they have the pig. How cute are these? They have this package of farmhouse signs. They come 3 in a pack. So I found one that says gather. And then the barn. And then one that says farm fresh with the cow, pig, and chicken on it. And I think these would be just great additions to add to some of your projects. So they had several different types of wood slices. So they have the nice long oblong wood slices. And then they have the round ones. And then they have more of like the sticks or pegs. And I think there's so many different ways you can use these in projects, and you could stain them or paint them. But I thought this was a really good deal for $1.25. So I was able to find this cute sign. It has a beautiful leaf at the top, and it already looks like faux wood. It is so cute. You guys know how much I love buffalo check. So I was super excited to find some of these signs. I like the shape of this one, and then it has the chalkboard in the front. They also had a house shape with the heart in the middle, and the house shape with just this beautiful design in the middle. So these are so cute. I picked up quite a few of these. And I mean, they match perfectly with the farm animals. How cute is that? Of course, now they are coming out with some much thicker woodcut words. Like this one says family, and it is a lot thicker than some of the other ones that they've had in the past. So this is a 2-piece. You get 2 of those. And of course, you've probably already seen these, but these are the house shapes with the marker board on it. So I picked up quite a few of those, but they also have some with the chalkboard, and it actually has a chimney. So that is so cute, and this is fairly thick. So that is a nice piece, and I picked up a couple of those, but if you didn't want the white, they also have just the plain wood, so you could stain that. Now you guys have seen me make a project at Christmas time with these ceramic plates that have the plate stand on the back. So they had round ones and rectangle ones. So I thought that is so cute. This is nice quality. They are a nice size, and there's so many different things you can do with these. Now I have not seen these before, but they are cute little calendars. So this one says, "It's so good to be home." The other one says, "Home is where our story begins." And these are absolutely adorable. So let's open it up and see. So it has 3 different ones for the months, and then you've got your cubes for your dates. And I think this is just absolutely precious. So how cute is that? And then you could just keep them stored inside. Absolutely adorable. These would make absolutely beautiful gifts for someone to keep on their desk. I found this cute photo frame arch that has the stand on the back. That is so cute. And then they had a couple of stencils. So this one says Farmers Market. And then this one says Farm Fresh. So that is all of the farmhouse stuff that I found, but I also found some organizing items. They have come out with some of the beautiful rose gold organizing items. These are the binder clips, and these are some of the larger clips. And then they have the wired net. And then I was able to find a couple of different size baskets. So this would just be so great at your desk, and you can hang these little baskets, and actually if you get the 2 different sizes, they fit perfectly on there. And you can alternate. I mean, how cute is that? And I love the color of this. They also now have some 2-tone collapsible storage boxes. And I love this because it has the lighter gray and the darker gray, so I picked up quite a few of those. And they're nice size. They're 10.5 inches deep and 11 inches wide. Now we're going to move on to the spring and Easter items that I found. One of the stores that I went into had started putting out all of their Easter and spring items, and some of these items I have never seen before, and they are absolutely precious. So they have these decorative wood birdhouses. I mean, how cute are these? And then this one has the little bumblebees on it. Speaking of bumblebees, I found these tiny little bumblebees. How precious are they? They are so cute. They come 12 in a pack. And they also have little tiny ladybugs. Anything miniature is just so cute to me. Are you guys like that? I just love anything miniature. They have these tiny wood flower pots. These come 3 in a pack. And then the various different spring craft shapes. So they have the watering can and a flower pot. I picked up a couple of those because this one has a wheelbarrow in it. Then the cute fence with the flowers on it. So this has 6 in it, and the other ones, those have 24 in it. And you guys know I use these all the time. I get mine at Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree is carrying these now. Look at these cute, precious wood flowers. You get 45 pieces. I mean, that's a great deal. I also had one with butterflies and a leaf in it. Again, that one has 45 pieces as well. These are the cutest embellishments. They call these wreath charms, but I think they're so cute. And then I found one that says bloom and grow, and it has the wire on the back, so if you want to hang it on a wreath. And then I found window film. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this yet, but I thought this was really cool. And it has this design on it, if you can see it. But I think I can use this in some sort of project. So I picked up the only 2 boxes that I could find. It's so cute. Okay. These cute wood signs. And then I found a cute gnome. And then they have these large galvanized signs. So this one says hello, and it has a cute bird at the top and a flower at the end. And then this one says garden, and it has a cute glove and a watering can. And those are only 1. Yeah, because they're pretty thick and heavy. So for spring, of course, I always love to pick these hooks up. These are great to hang solar lanterns on to line your walkway. So for $1.25, you can't beat that, and I love to pick these up when they get those in stock. Now for some Easter items, of course, I always pick up some of their styrofoam eggs and some of their styrofoam bunnies. They have some of the cutest wood chicks. These are precious. They have 14 in 1 pack. And then I love these twine wrapped carrots. Of course, they had some beautiful Easter garland. So this one has yellow, white, and pink, and then it has a cute yellow duck at the bottom. And then a twine tassel with beautiful yellow ribbon. And then I love these pastel colors. So this one has the blue and like a teal green and pink. And then it has a pink bunny at the end. And then the pink ribbon with the twine tassel. These signs are absolutely gorgeous. I love the simplicity of them. They look almost like antique. They're so pretty. So they had a couple of different kinds of those. And then I love these window clings or wall art. So this one says, "Faith can move mountains." And I think this would just be beautiful on a project. Of course, I plan on making a wreath for Easter. So you guys stay tuned for that. So I got the cross wreath form. And then I found these bundles with these small styrofoam balls on it. And they have the prettiest colors. So they have blue and yellow, some beautiful purple and pink. So I picked up 2 of each of those, and they are just so pretty. I always love to pick up the ribbon when I find it. So these have the cute Easter bunny feet, and then Easter eggs. And then this one is like the burlap with the carrots. Now in the plus section of Dollar Tree, I found this beautiful plaid ribbon, as well as some Easter fabric. So for $5, you get 5 pieces. And they have some of the prettiest colors. I mean, look at those cute flowers. And then they have some blues and really pretty purples. And then this gorgeous one on the front. I also found this gorgeous egg in the plus section. So this one was $3. It has all of the designs like grooved inside of it. And on the front it says Easter wishes. So they had pink, yellow, and of course green's my favorite color, so I picked up a green one. But it looks so expensive. And then this absolutely precious bunny. So this was $5 in the plus section. But you guys, I saw these at Hobby Lobby. They sell them for like $14, $15. So this is so cute for $5. So I think I had a pretty good trip to a couple of Dollar Trees. You guys let me know if you've seen any of these items in your local stores. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please take care, and I will see you guys next time.